Oh, Comrade Spuda.
Ah, okay.
Great.
Ngiyakufila.
How's it going this morning?
Kahle kakhulu ukuthi njengoba sibona nje ukuthi abanye babathatha sesize la manje ukuthi
Oh, company is Thule.
company isithuthi.
Nayo siyangena.
Siyangena nayo. Sobona ukuthi bathatha kahle.
Okay.
Ngoba nabo they are full of foreign nation.
Okay.
So nje sizobhala ngabo manje sizobona sona.
Alright.
Sicela abaphathi bakhona.
All right. As you can see, good people, we've got a lot of our people who are not employed. That company, Noted Stone Holding, at least we have 10 people just this morning. I'm not going to talk about the previous days. We've got members of Umkhonto in majority here, some of them not in t-shirts or in regalias. But majority, this is members of Umkhonto. We've got members of the community. We've got Comrade Nuno over there. Chikijela.
Viva MK, viva.
Viva.
Viva Ground Force, viva.
Viva.
We always on the ground.
Always on the ground.
Danko.
Danko. So you can see we're on to the next location. The next location is just a factory, literally a few meters away from the first one where they took 10 people. Let's see how many people are getting employed here today.
Commander Smoni, bafowethu sishilo sathi thina umsebenzi sizowenza uqhubeke kwama-South African. Namhlanje sila bazothatha abantu abawu-10 and bonke bayenza i-interview manje. Siyazi ukuthi in the next hour sizobe sesazi ukuthi kuzobe khona abantu abazobe besebenza in this company. That shows ukuthi siyasebenza siwumphakathi. Amandla
Awethu.
okay ngenani libo
Mayingeni 10, mayingeni 10 sibone.
ayingeni 10 sibone 2.1 right
Good luck, guys. All the best.
good luck.
Nayi 10 yethu, nayi 10 yethu.
Okay, ladies,
Shota is 5, Machita no 6. I think it's 36, Machita.
how much is just 36?
About 4, 5.
Shota one. Shota one, yeah.
Owafunga nasivila.
Yabona ke, listen ke bafowethu. I'm repeating what I've said before. I'm repeating what I've said before. Ngithe izolo mangikhuluma nawe. Wa enforce ukuthi no, keep afaka ngathi at the end of the day mabefuna ama CV ayikho into esizoyenza. You must have a CV. Yeah. So don't blame us ngoba awunayo CV. So ongena CV kusho ukuthi uzozayenza i-CV. Let's replace omunye oyi-one.
Let's have a CV.
Hayi wena
Bafethu, ufuna umsebenzi kanjani ungana CV? Akushash, akushash, akushash.
Asana abantu abafike namhlanje. Siyabaza. Now. Ladies, how many? Four ladies. One. What's a lady? Three.
Shota yokugcina.
Four. So we agreed that we will take 2 from the guys and 1 from the ladies.
Where's the last CV for ladies? Right. So, abasana sepek.
Yeah. Mamela ke sisi. Now ama CV. Siyakunika ne? Ama CV akuwe. Now ama CV, you do the process. How long will it take that process? Because we don't want our people to never with next month. Okay, I want to do interview now, ne? Right. Abasan.
You know what?
Abasan.
Abasan. Yena kapika.
Thanda ukusebenzisana nani vele uku-operation yokukhipha abantu bangaphandle afaka ama-South African. Now uthi uthuli sithathe ama-CV awu-4 siwashiye la ngaphakathi uzo-interviewa abantu uzothatha abantu abawu-2 ne sizoshiya ama-CV awu-4 uthuli uzo-interviewa athatha abantu abawu-2 so ama-CV siwashiya ku-6 siyazwana nini siyabonga uthuli mfowethu naba bongani kuthuli Job.